Hi to all of you. Are you seeking for passive income streams since you're sick of working a 9-to-5 job? Do you have a strong desire to share your creative thoughts with the world? You've arrived to the proper location, then. We'll be covering the top 10 methods for using podcasting and YouTube to generate income in this video. These platforms have gained enormous popularity throughout the globe and developed into effective instruments for content producers to market their skills and earn a livelihood. We provide something for everyone, regardless of expertise level as content creators. As we go into the fascinating worlds of YouTube and podcasting and the several ways you may monetize your material, grab a pen and paper and get ready to take some notes. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's start. Number 1. Advertising and sponsorship. Sponsorship and advertising are among the most apparent methods to monetize podcasts and YouTube. Brands and companies could be interested in working with you to promote their goods and services via your content as your channel or podcast grows in popularity. Pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll commercials that air during or after your podcast or video episode may be used for this. These sponsored placements, which usually take the kind of product placements or endorsements, may be quite profitable, particularly if your following is sizable and active. Your audience must be connected to your high-quality, engaging content in order to attract sponsors and ads. You may also make direct contact with brands and corporations to present your cooperation ideas. It's critical to strike the correct balance between content authenticity and product promotion. It should be apparent to your audience and listeners that the goods you endorse are beneficial to them and consistent with your beliefs. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Another well-liked method of monetizing YouTube and podcasts is affiliate marketing. Here, you may advertise the goods and services of others and be paid a commission for any leads or purchases brought about by your special affiliate link. Content providers may earn a portion of every transaction they generate via their channels or social media platforms by participating in the affiliate programs offered by many businesses. You have the chance to collaborate with companies and advocate for goods that you really believe in as a content producer. To gain the confidence of your audience and establish a lasting connection with your followers, it is imperative that you reveal your collaboration and use ethical marketing strategies. Number 3. Membership programs. Fan subscriptions and membership programs are two more profitable ways to monetize YouTube and podcasts. This is the part where you charge a monthly or annual membership fee in return for your audience receiving access to unique material or benefits. For instance, a lot of YouTubers provide their paying subscribers early access to new videos, monthly Q&A sessions, or behind-the-scenes access to footage. In a similar vein, podcasters may provide their listeners with exclusive interviews, additional episodes, and ad-free material. Building a devoted fan base that is prepared to pay for premium content is the foundation of this business strategy. Delivering great material that is only available to members is crucial to making this a successful revenue source. Number 4. Merchandise sales. Selling merchandise is a fantastic method to make money from your podcast or YouTube channel, particularly if you have a well-established personal brand. You may create and market to your audience a variety of goods, including caps, phone cases, t-shirts, and other branded apparel. This not only brings in money but also strengthens the feeling of community among your followers and promotes your company. Without having to worry about handling inventory or shipping, a lot of content producers create and sell their clothing on websites like Teespring or Spreadshirt. Making designs and goods that connect with your audience and are consistent with your brand is crucial to maximizing this revenue stream. To further market your company and entice others to buy, you can also ask your followers to post images of themselves sporting your products. Number 5. Crowdfunding. You may also consider crowdfunding as a strategy to monetize your podcast and YouTube channel if you have a loyal following. Through websites such as Patreon and Kickstarter, content producers may solicit donations from their audience, either for a one-time project or as a continuous source of income. For example, a podcast host may raise money to bring in industry experts for interesting interviews, while a YouTuber can solicit contributions to enhance their gear. Giving your audience a strong, convincing reason to support you and your content is crucial if you want crowdfunding to be successful. To encourage individuals to donate, you may provide rewards like goods, personalized shoutouts, or access to special content. Number 6. Public speaking and events. As your podcast or YouTube channel gains popularity, you can start getting requests to give speeches at workshops, conferences, and other gatherings. This is an amazing chance to make money, grow your network, and demonstrate your skills. Numerous event management firms and speakers bureau may put you in touch with paid speaking opportunities within your specialty. Additionally, you have the option to plan your own conferences, seminars, or meetups and charge for entrance. Events and public speaking not only help you make money but also position yourself as an expert in your field. You might start by making relationships with local event planners and organizers by going to networking events. Number 7. Brand collaborations. Developing brand partnerships is one of the most effective ways to monetize podcasting and YouTube. This is essentially larger-scale affiliate marketing, branded content, and sponsored video promotion of goods and services. Companies could offer you a sizable sum of money to work with them on a project that supports their marketing objectives or to serve as their brand ambassador. Maintaining a consistent brand image and producing high-quality, captivating content that highlights your originality and appeals to a particular target group are crucial for impressing businesses and securing partnerships. Additionally, you may approach businesses that fit your niche and present your ideas for a joint venture. Number 8. Coaching and consulting. A great podcast or YouTube channel might help you become recognized as an authority in your industry. This enables you to provide coaching or consulting services to your followers in the event that they need one-on-one help and mentoring. You may provide group coaching and mastermind groups, conduct one-on-one sessions with your customers, or develop online courses. In addition to helping you earn money, coaching and consulting provide you the chance to significantly improve the lives of others who listen to you. It is imperative that you demonstrate your accomplishment and knowledge in your field and provide your customers insightful and useful guidance if you want to be successful with this revenue stream. Number 9. Paid subscriptions. For your podcast or YouTube channel, you may charge for subscribers in addition to depending only on advertising. Here's where you provide anyone who want to pay a membership access to premium material, such lengthier interviews, early access to new videos, or ad-free episodes. For content producers who want to monetize their work without having to deal with obtrusive advertising, this arrangement is advantageous. You need a devoted fan following that is prepared to pay for exclusive material if you want this revenue stream to be successful. To encourage people to join up and lure them with the advantages of subscribing to your channel or podcast, you may provide a free trial period. Number 10. YouTube and podcast patrons. Finally, accepting contributions from your listeners or followers is another well-liked method of monetizing your podcast or YouTube channel. This is similar to the crowdfunding concept, except that you are soliciting support from your audience for your content development in general rather than for a particular project. You may get modest donations from viewers and listeners who like your work and want to assist you in your continued efforts by using platforms such as Buy Me a Coffee and Ko-fi. Although they are a fantastic method to augment your revenue and pay for production expenses, donations shouldn't be your only source of support. To get your audience to donate generously, you must establish a trustworthy connection with them and provide them consistently excellent content. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.